Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Taylor, and today I have some life-changing content for you all. As you can tell from the title of this wonderful video, I finally have an iPad, you guys. Basically, if you don't follow me on Instagram or if you're new to my channel and this is the first video you're clicking on of me, I do digital illustration, and for over a year, the past year, I have been doing my digital illustrations on my iPhone with my finger, and I genuinely think my finger, like the fingerprint, has like permanent damage or something because I've just been dragging it across the screen for like thousands of hours at this point. So I am so happy that I no longer have to go through that struggle. But yeah, today is actually the 28th and I got these on Christmas the 25th, and my allergies were so bad on Christmas because I was around dogs and I couldn't breathe out of my nostrils for like the past 5 days. So I had to wait until my allergies went away to film this video. Can you imagine getting an iPad and then you just have to stare at it in the box for 4 days straight? That's what I did for you guys because I had to film this pure unboxing video for you guys because my allergies were causing me to not breathe. And girl, I can't even breathe when I'm filming a video normally. Like literally every time I film a video, I have to like pause it and be like, because I talk so fast I can't even breathe. So I can't even imagine filming a video with a stuffed up nose. So now my allergies are finally gone and I can finally open my beautiful iPad. This is my iPad. I got the iPad Air. I didn't get the iPad Pro. I was like, you know what? I was like comparing the models on Apple's website. The iPad Air just seemed like it could do everything that I needed it to do. Wait, maybe my allergies aren't gone. Okay, I know that everyone that does illustrations on Instagram is like, oh my god, like the iPad Pro is like the best one. Like you need the iPad Pro. I'm like, girl, that's $1,200. Like, I don't understand. This one I think was $600, I think, on the website. It is the 4th generation. I don't know what that means, but okay. And it's the 64 gigabyte one. Oh, and I got the rose gold color. I kind of like don't like rose gold. Like I just wanted the plain gold, but they didn't have it. Like they didn't sell the iPad Air in gold. And I'm like, why not? Like, you did this for what? But whatever. I got the rose gold, and I also want to get one of those paper screen protectors, and it's like a paper feel, so it feels like you're writing on paper. Shall we open it? Shall we? It's been 4 days. Opening Apple products is just so satisfying. Like, they really do put all the effort into their packaging, and I appreciate that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, that was stunning. This video's kind of boring. I don't know, because I asked you guys if you wanted to see this on my Instagram, and you guys were like, yes. Like, I got so many votes for yes. I was actually shook, and I'm like, I don't know why people want to see an unboxing video, but like, I'll do it for you, okay? I'm getting all the angles. I really am. Okay, ready? Hello? Hello? How are you supposed to get this? Oh, it's coming. She's coming. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is what it looks like. Here's the iPad. It's in a nice matte plastic cover. Okay, Miss Girl. She's rose gold. Period. Okay. I'm confused. Okay. Then you like, oh my god, wait, stop. I just realized my mom got it engraved with my name on it. Already getting fingerprints on it. Love that for me. Okay. Okay. Oh, she's glowing. She's stunning. She's beautiful. So there's me iPad. Me iPad's not charging on me iPad charge. I can now use that quote all the time. Wow. This is life-changing. And then it comes with the little, you know, the little thingy thing. Me iPad charger, sorry. Oh god, this is not good. It's got a big old charging cube, not the standard charging cube. And the charging cable, and it's one of those, like it's not a USB anymore. Both sides are the other one. This is me iPad charger. So, he gave us this lovely, absolutely lovely instruction guide that I will not be reading. Now that I have unboxed my iPad, I'm going to unbox the Apple Pencil. This is the 2nd generation one. We're gonna unbox it. Period. Okay. Oh, shut up. This packaging is everything. I enjoyed that experience. Okay, let's open this baby up. There she is, love. Oh. You didn't didn't see that. This is my Apple Pencil. I don't know, there's really nothing to say. There is instructions for this as well. Just gonna put those right back in there. Okay, we don't need instructions. Now I guess it's time to turn on my iPad. I love like how it's like square. Do you see how it's like, it's not like rounded and curved. It's like a nice square and it's nice and flat. Oh, I really dig it. Turn on. Hello. Hey girl. Why is it on 97% charged? Shouldn't it be on 100% charged? So basically there's this new thing where you can like hook up your iPad by just like using your phone, and there's not some big long process anymore, but I'm filming on my phone. So I'm gonna have to do that and then I'll like get right back to you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I know you wanted to see this content, but what you gonna do?
A few moments later.
Okay, finally that's over and I am back with you guys. All I had to do basically was just, it somehow Bluetoothedly like gave it my Apple ID or something. I don't know the word, okay? And then I had to, you know, blindly agree to the Apple terms and conditions as we all do. Quite scary actually. Every time I do that now I get very unsettled. But do we have a choice? Okay, first of all, the background is ugly. No offense. I have all these lovely Apple apps that I will be deleting. And now I will be setting up le pencil. What? I used to know the word for pencil in Italian. I forgot it. Sorry guys, I was gonna teach you a little Italian word for pencil, but. And I saw this other girl, she like put her Apple Pencil and it like sticks right. It like sticks and then it, see, and then it comes up. Hey. Okay, continue. Wait, why is it making this noise? Why isn't it making that screechy noise? No. No, that needs to go. Is that allowed? Good heavens. iPad haul. Well, you guys, I guess that's the end of my iPad and Apple Pencil unboxing. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you found it fun, flirty, fun, fantastic. I don't know. All I'm gonna say, ladies and gents, look out for all the content coming. Follow my TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram because the content is about to go to the next level. Well, also, I am starting a full-time job in a week, so I'm not going to be sitting at home doing nothing like I have been the past 10 months, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. So if I'm a little bad on the uploading game or the posting game, okay, I'm a working woman. I am a working woman. I was an employee, but yay, dreams do come true. Everyone just keep working hard towards your dreams and goals, and you will achieve them. So thanks for watching. What am I doing? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this video. I already said this, didn't I? Anyways, follow my Instagram to see all this new poppin' content that's coming. Give it a thumbs up if you thought it was fun, helpful, cute. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. I don't even know. And I will see you guys in my next video.
You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the back and I'm working. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Lost and all, love a mom for me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl.